Hi, my name is Erin O'Toole. I will be your instructor for ICD, and I just want to show you how to use Canvas to get going in this course before we have our first class. I would pay attention to, on the left-hand side, your courses. See, it doesn't look the same. I would look at your syllabus, download a copy by clicking on this link here, and you will have a list of all the things that are due. Typically, you will have a theory and practical quiz due every Sunday, and then we have our class on Tuesday. And then if you have a test, you will have your first test. It will actually cover the material that we will finish up on Sunday, and the test will be due Tuesday right before class. I prefer that you not wait until the last minute, because what I like to do in the class is discuss some of the pitfalls of the coding questions that people got wrong. And that's about it. Quizzes shows you all your quizzes. Assignments shows you all your assignments. You have a free copy of Office, Microsoft Office, which includes Word, Excel, and PowerPoint when you're a student here at MCC. Grades will check out, your grades will be posted, and any missing assignments should be in there. We have no discussion boards in this class, and the most important thing is probably to go through each and every module. Typically, we do one module a week. There is some beginning information here, which is repeated in the side here. These semester dates is not repeated, but as you will see, we really only have 7 weeks. We're this part right here, second summer term, and it's really only 7 weeks. But that's plenty of time for this class. We will have more than enough time to get through what we need to get through. Any questions, you may contact me at eotoole@ccsnh.edu, and I should probably put that in here somewhere. But it is in the syllabus. Alrighty, thank you.